gonna saute this up a little bit, okay? You see how fast this is, guys? Alright, now we're gonna add some bell peppers of all colors, frozen. You can use fresh. I have about a cup of mixed vegetable. Alright guys, just kind of keep stirring this for a few minutes. We're gonna add some blended seasoning. I will leave a link. About 2 tablespoons. This one has the pimento and the garlic and the onion, parsley, ginger, all of them. Scotch bonnet pepper. But this is a little bit spicy, so I'm not gonna add any Scotch bonnet pepper, okay? So the saltfish already boiled, so just go ahead and pick it up, alright? I rinsed it off in some cold water. So I'm gonna pick up it in small pieces, just break it up. Alright, we're gonna put this aside. You see the goodness here, guys? Yes, yes. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of curry, about a teaspoon. I'm not gonna do much curry today, okay? Just a teaspoon. Yeah? That will do. I'm not gonna overdo it with the curry. Because when I do, you notice, guys, when you overdo the curry, you have like a pitchy taste. So don't overdo the curry. You just want the flavor. You can add a little bit of turmeric too, like a half teaspoon of turmeric, but this is good. Teaspoon and a half of curry, that will do. Okay, let this fry up for a minute. Now we're gonna add the saltfish because I want it to fry up a little bit in the oil. This is easy. Under 20 minutes, guys. Okay, I'm not going to put any salt because of the saltfish, but I'm going to add one of this Maggi cube. And I'm going to put some black pepper. And I'm going to put some black pepper. And I'm going to just use a fork to press it out. There. And guys, you want to go ahead and steam a little bit of rice, or if you have roti or whatever bread, naan bread, you can eat it with this. You see how pretty this is, guys? Oh, so pretty. Now we're just gonna add the 2 cans of chickpeas. I rinsed them off already, okay guys? You can add 1 can if you want. Meanwhile, we're frying up and simmering down that, guys. I have about, say, half cup of water, and I'm gonna put some of this coconut milk powder. Not much, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. All right. You can put about half cup of the regular coconut milk. Give this a little mix. Put a little bit more. And I'm gonna add it to it, guys. Okay, we're just gonna cover this now. I'm just gonna add a little bit of parsley flakes to it. A little bit more black pepper. And we're just gonna cover this and let it simmer. Turn down your stove to a medium to low and let it simmer down for a few minutes. All right, my peeps, after 15 minutes. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, it smells so good. So now you're gonna give it a little stir. So 5-10 more minutes, guys, and it's good. You can add more curry, but I didn't want too much curry in it. This is it, guys. Amazing. I wish the camera and do it more justice. It's a bit yellow, but we don't know the camera now make sure it's so yellow. But anyhow, this is it, guys. Make it dry down. Yeah. All right, you can serve this with some rice. Maybe I will eat some with some rice tomorrow, but today I have these wrap. As I say, you can use roti, whatever, and that's what I'm gonna serve it up with, guys. Little bowl. Oh, guys, see, that's the color I'm looking for. That's the color I have, guys. Me don't know white. I show so white over there, so anyhow, this is what I'm gonna eat right now. It's a whole family, okay, guys? And I'm just gonna put like 2 of these wrap, because that's what I'm gonna eat. All right, my peeps, this is it. That's what in the pot, and this is what I'm serving up over here. All right, and I serve it up with some avocado and 2 wrap. You can use roti, put it with some rice, however you want. All right, my peeps, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. All right, my peeps, I put some parsley flakes, and this is what I'm serving up with some avocado and my wrap. Yeah, and this is my curry chickpeas with some saltfish in some rundown. Yeah, love upon me and I love upon you. All right, guys, I'm so hungry now. I'm gonna dive in. All right, you have a good day. Look at that goodness. Before it wasn't showing that yellow before, but I don't know, it's a camera, but it's not that yellow, but it has some yellowness to it. Okay. All right, my peeps, that's it. You have a good day. Bye, guys.